assume you'd never guess where I am right now, but I'm in the middle of Paris, in the beautiful Parc Buttes-Chaumont, where I just saw this lovely grotto with the big waterfall. What a lovely place. This is sort of like a secret insider's place. It's not really that well known among the tourists. There's some beautiful, what is this? I don't know what shrubs these are, but they're just gorgeous. And it's just this lovely urban park where people come to picnic and go to walk and jog and all that type of stuff. And there's this artificial, at least I think it's artificial, rock wall right here with a pond right around it. It's just gorgeous, such a scenic place. There's a big, I'm going to show it to you later, you can't see it from here, there's a big elevated bridge up there and the pavilion right up there, and I'm going to make my way up to the top very shortly. It's sort of been really strange weather. Raining, clouding over, then getting nice and sunny again. But look at this beautiful scenic place and this lovely bridge here. What a gorgeous spot.